In today's video, I will walk you through how to use breakout rooms in Zoom. Breakout rooms let you divide a larger Zoom meeting into smaller groups for discussions, activities, or brainstorming. You can set them up directly from your active meeting window, and the process only takes a few moments once you know where to find the option. While you're in your Zoom meeting, look at the meeting controls and select the More option. If you're using the desktop version, you'll usually find it at the bottom of the screen. If you're on a mobile device, tap the More button on the toolbar. From the menu that appears, select Breakout Rooms to open the Setup panel. Once the Setup panel opens, the first thing you'll do is choose how many breakout rooms you want to create. Enter the number of rooms based on how you want to divide your participants. For example, if your meeting has 20 participants and you want groups of 5 people, create 4 breakout rooms. If you want smaller groups with fewer participants in each one, simply create more rooms. After choosing the number of rooms, select how participants will be assigned. Zoom gives you 3 assignment options to choose from. The first option is Assign Automatically. Select this if you want Zoom to distribute participants evenly across all of the breakout rooms without any manual work. The second option is Assign Manually. Choose this if you want to decide exactly which participants go into each breakout room. This option lets you organize the groups the way you want before anyone joins a room. The third option is Let participants choose their own room. Select this if you want participants to decide which breakout room they would like to join during the meeting. After you've selected both the number of breakout rooms and your preferred assignment method, click Create. Zoom will generate the breakout rooms using the settings you've selected. Once the rooms are created, the breakout room structure is ready based on your choices. If you don't see the breakout rooms option in your meeting controls, first make sure you're the meeting host or a co-host. Also confirm that your Zoom app is updated and check that breakout rooms are enabled in your account settings before the meeting begins. If you're using a mobile device, keep in mind that the location of the More menu may look slightly different depending on your screen size. Before creating your breakout rooms, it's also helpful to decide how many groups you want and which assignment method fits your meeting. If you want the fastest setup, choose Automatic Assignment. If you want to decide exactly who joins each room, choose Manual Assignment. If you want participants to select the room they want to join, choose Participant Choice. Once everything is set, all that's left is to create the breakout rooms. With just a few selections, including the breakout rooms option, your room count, your assignment method, and the Create button, your Zoom meeting will be ready for smaller group sessions. Thank you for watching.